DGSUNLIGHT 100W200W12V Portable Solar Panel Flexible 16V800W Plate CELLS Monocrystalline Silicon. High-efficient. High solar cell efficiency. Monocrystalline 21% protection. Bypass diodes minimize power drop caused by shade and ensure excellent performance in low-light environments. DGSUNLIGHT Portable Solar Panel Extremely flexible. This panel is capable of meeting a wide range of applications where standard panels can be inconvenient to mount, such as on the curved roof of an Airstream. DGSUNLIGHT Portable Solar Panel Ultra Lightweight. Thanks to advanced polymer materials, this product weighs 70% less than conventional solar panels, making transportation and installation a breeze. Super thin. Hardly noticeable, the 100W lightweight panel laid flat is only 1/10 of an inch tall, approximately 95% thinner than its rigid counterpart. This panel is ideal for a stealthy solar setup. DGSUNLIGHT Portable Solar Panel. Highly durable. Rigorously tested, the 100W panel was designed to withstand extreme wind and snow loads. Easy to install. Metal holes in the corners of the product for fixing screws and mounting.